Hey, so before we start the video, Dave and I are home here, hunkering down in Austin, Texas, as I'm sure many of you are hunkering down at home, wherever you are around the world during this self-quarantine time. As a matter of fact, we're on like quarantine home day number...
Yeah, we're almost at 21, right?
Can't you tell? I mean, look at these. These like almost 21 days of not getting your nails done.
Yeah, no haircut?
No haircut. So before this pandemic, Dave and I shot a really cool series at the happiest place on earth, Disney World.
Yes, and we are excited to share it with you.
Yes, we are. And as a matter of fact, we're looking forward to taking you guys there virtually so you can enjoy the same experiences that we enjoyed. And we also know that we are going to get through this. And once we get through this and the doors of Disney open up, we are looking forward and hope that you guys can enjoy this experience as much as we did.
Yay!
Hey there, world travelers.
Hey there.
I'm Tanya.
And I'm Dave.
And we are Turn It Up World. Welcome to
Disney World!
That's right, so we are now diving into Regal Eagle Barbecue here at Epcot and Walt Disney World. We're so excited. So last time we actually got to dive into the Mini Mickey Runaway Railway, and boy, was that a lot of fun.
Yes, oh, it's great. And today, we're gonna test this place out, test Disney's barbecue against Franklin BBQ, since we're from Austin, Texas.
Yes, and just if you haven't already seen that video, go back and check out that video. It's a really cool video. We think you will enjoy that. We kind of put together a step-by-step guide that you definitely will enjoy. I am so hungry. I can smell the barbecue. I'm not sure if you can see right behind us that the smokers are really ready to rock and roll and feed these empty stomachs.
Oh yeah, we have not eaten all day, so we are starving. Ready to get going. I am ready.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Wow, oh my gosh.
All right, well, voila, here we go.
Voila, and that was very simple. There was like 0 lines.
Exactly, not busy at all today.
Yeah.
And we got 2 American platters,
yes,
right, where you get your choice of 3 different meats and a side as well. We also got 2 beers, so cheers. Cheers, my dear.
Cheers for the craft beer.
We gotta start having some boozes here. Oh yeah. Oh, that's good.
That is so perfect. It's nice and wimpy. Just how we like it.
Perfect, just how we like it.
Wimpy. You want to just dive right into this?
I think we should. Now, one thing I do want to say, so all of this on the table, a lot of food here. Not too bad. And how much would you think it would cost?
Yeah, I would probably say...
At Disney, right, you think?
At Disney, I would probably say for 2 platters, beers, onion rings, the whole 9 yards, I'd probably say over $100.
Oh, $65 for everything, which... Actually, it's pretty reasonable for barbecue. I mean, we were at Franklin. We paid, what, $185? $185.
Exactly.
We had
a whole different animal.
Yeah, we had lunches for like the week, or at least for a few days.
Yes.
Right? It's a totally different animal too, for sure.
Very different. You know, we're from Texas, so that Texas barbecue is a very bit, you know, a lot different than, say, the Disney barbecue here, that's for sure.
Exactly. Can't really compare the two. But hey, we're going to do it anyway.
We're going to do it anyway. Let's dive into these ribs.
Okay. So these are the Memphis
pork ribs.
Yeah,
the
Memphis
dry
pork ribs. Yes. Give it a try.
I'm a big fan of dry. Now it's got to be nice and juicy. Ready?
Yeah, let's do it up.
Looks a little on the drier side. I'm not sure, but let's see. You never know.
Yeah.
Okay. There's a napkin there. I don't want to spit on the folks. Not bad. Not bad. Definitely a little on the drier side of what I'm used to, but not bad. Definitely has a really nice smoky taste to that, right?
Yeah, no, I love the smoky flavor. I agree with you. It's definitely on the dry side. I mean, obviously in Central Texas, those pork ribs kind of just fall right off the bone, which is unbelievable.
You don't need no teeth.
Exactly. But this is good. I mean, for Disney, coming here to Disney, this is good stuff. And it's something that's always good. Smoked sausage.
Oh my gosh,
right?
That is so true. We love
Oh my God,
sausage.
man, that's good.
Sausage is not bad. I thought it was pretty tasty. Let's see how this compares.
No, it's a smoked Carolina sauce, so Carolina smoked sausage. Here, you're gonna try some of this.
You know, something about the word smoked when it comes to meats just sounds delicious. But there's a sauce that goes with it, right? Isn't it like
it's a kind of a tangy mustard
sauce. So I might pour a little bit of that on.
Okay. Seems a little dry cutting through it.
Yeah, it does.
Right? Seems a little dry.
It does. A little on the drier side.
Let's see what it's like here. I taste a lot of that tangy mustard sauce.
Yeah. We're gonna try this again. Okay. For me, it's just okay. It almost reminds me of a hot dog.
Yeah.
It's
like a little spicy hot dog.
I don't really have the smokiness that's going on there.
It's like a spicy big hot dog. It does have a spice to it, which I like.
It does have the spice.
But if I were to say, okay, the pork ribs versus sausage, I'd go pork ribs all day.
All right. So let me set the stage for the next one. All right. So one of the things we're saving the best for last is the brisket. Now we love brisket. I can eat brisket all day long. So much that I will burp brisket for like 2 weeks.
I know, that nice smoky burp.
And that's
the way
good
it is.
brisket.
That's good brisket. What do you think? Maybe some of this chopped smoked pork butt?
Ooh, I'm loving the sound of that.
It looks like
it's North Carolina chopped smoked pork
right.
butt.
Looks like a little pulled pork though.
It does look a little pulled pork-like. So I think they recommended a sauce to go with that as well.
Yeah,
too.
it's like a vinegar sauce, kind of a light vinegar sauce. We're gonna try some of that too.
Yeah,
for
but
sure.
we should definitely try. I think I'm gonna try it straight up to see what kind of smokiness comes out of that.
I like
one.
it.
We do it at the same time?
Let's do it.
Are you ready?
Oh yeah.
Go.
Here we go.
Get a good piece.
Right in there. Oh yeah.
Ooh. Wow.
That's really good. That's really good.
That
impressed.
is really.
Impressed with that.
That is dang delicious.
I might try some of the sauce now too. Try that vinegar
I
sauce.
think that's a really good idea. Let's take a dip.
Yeah, let's take a dip.
All right, here we go. I'm gonna wait for you because I want to try this.
Okay. I like this. Is good.
Wow, I went kind of heavy on
this
that
stuff's
dip.
good. I wish I would double this one now. Here we go. Ready?
All right, 3.
That's nice.
Wow. Wow.
That's good. That's good vinegar sauce. I like it.
It definitely has a strong vinegar taste.
Yeah.
But there's also spiciness in there.
I love that spice.
And that spice really kind of opens up your palate so that vinegar kind of settles in.
Yeah.
With the meat.
I mean, this is definitely the highlight. This and the pork ribs. This is actually even better. I'd rate this number 1 right now.
Right now, this is number 1.
Yeah, really good.
And the pork ribs are definitely second. Woo!
So that was really good.
That was so good. That was really good. We should switch it up a little bit.
Yeah, I think we need to switch it up and maybe try a side.
I agree with that.
What do you think? Want to try these onion rings?
Yes.
Give it a shot?
Now here's something. I read a lot about the onion rings here. The onion rings supposed to be one of the best sides here. The onion
Really?
rings.
Oh, wow.
And they look really nice. Let me pass you one of those.
Thank you. Okay.
I gave you a
They're
good
certainly
size
very
one.
kind of thick. Very
thick
Not.
cut.
Yeah.
Not chincing. You got a good.
No, not chance.
good one here.
That's a thick slice of onion in there, I think.
I mean, look at that. It's like the perfect onion.
Yeah. All right. Want to give it a shot? Cheers. Tastes pretty good to me. No, I'm no onion ring connoisseur. What do you think? Ooh, that good, huh? A little dancing.
Yes, I like them. I really like the crunchy batter around it. It's really nice. Now, onion rings are onion rings. Sometimes it can be really soggy. You have to let them sit for a little while. But I still felt I had some crunch in that onion ring.
Yeah.
Really nice, good flavors, definitely deep fried.
Yeah.
I like it.
Want to try some of this mac and cheese?
I was gonna say,
Okay.
we gotta get to that mac and cheese.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Before it gets cold.
Let's dive in here.
I'm just picking with you.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna go pick. Oh my god.
There we go. A little kind of breadcrumbs on there. Kind of nice.
That is interesting. Let's do
Same.
it.
It's kind of a light, kind of mild flavor. I'm not sure if it's cheddar, not sure the cheese they're using in there, but it's I like it. You know, because it doesn't overpower you.
Yeah, I think for me, it's okay. It does have like a simple, like mildish, like cheesy feel, cheddary.
Yeah.
I almost would like to have a little bit more of the crunch from those breadcrumbs.
Right.
I think the breadcrumbs at this point almost a little soggy to me.
Oh, I love when those breadcrumbs are nice crispy on
Exactly.
top. That can be the
crisp.
highlight.
What a contrast that brings into it, right?
My mom kind of grown up would bake us some mac and cheese.
Oh,
Get a nice little crust on there.
Woo.
That was all the highlight.
I'll tell you,
Love that.
my mom made some of the best. I mean,
Yeah,
she would do
I believe it.
like 7 cheeses.
Wow.
Yeah, 7 cheeses. Yes.
Say what?
Exactly. And whenever I had that, when I tasted it, I would be like, say what, mama?
Damn, it's good.
All right, so we are gonna try up next here. I think we should try the chicken. Now, I will tell you this, I have 0 high hopes for this chicken because I'm a chicken fan, and this chicken looks dry like an ashy knuckle.
So this is a Kansas City smoked half chicken, right?
All right.
So, and it's dry as a what?
some ashy ass knees. I'm gonna use my hands. Here we go.
Have a little bit here. I'm using my hands too. Try this out.
That is dry. Good flavor, but dry. Oh my God.
Yeah, no, it is dry. But you're right. The flavor, you really get that nice smoky flavor when you eat the skin. That nice smoky skin on there. That's good. I think the flavor's good. Flavor's good, but there's not a lot of moisture in that chicken.
I had to take a sip of that because it was getting stuck in my throat. But I'm gonna give it one more shot. I'm gonna give it another shot with the barbecue sauce.
Yeah,
I think that is important to try that sauce.
I'll
I'm
try
gonna use my
that too.
hands. I'm gonna try some with the skin. You said the skin is nice. A lot of flavor is always in the skin.
Oh yeah, gotta have the skin.
You gotta have the skin.
Oh yeah.
All right, let's try that barbecue sauce.
I'm gonna dip this guy right in here.
Okay.
All right, and that is some sweet sauce.
But it almost now tastes like a
Oh, here we go.
really smooth, sweet barbecue sauce wrapped around some dry ass meat. Now the wing looks a little more juicier. You always get that around the bones.
Yeah.
Around the bones, you're always gonna find a little more of that juiciness. Let's try it. Yes, but it's still got the hair on it.
No, hairy. Hairy wing. It's okay. It's good for you.
Oh, there you go.
It's gonna be that's moist. I can eat that.
You can
What are you talking
try it.
about? I don't mind a little hair on my chicken.
That's disgusting.
We gotta go on and try some of this brisket. Now, brisket, for us being in Central Texas, is really the highlight. And but I have to be honest here, looking at this thing, this looks a little scary to me. So.
We do love Texas briskets, and we know a brisket is supposed to, when you pick it up, almost fall off. I feel like I can knock somebody out with this piece. Let's dive into this.
Okay, let's do it
I'm
up.
thinking now. Now I'm hoping.
We got hope. Hopefully
hopeful.
it's better than we think. Right out here.
Okay.
I got nothing on that. I didn't get really any smokiness on that. Did you get a smokiness? I didn't get any smokiness. Like, you didn't taste any of that bark you normally taste after the hours of
kind of
smoking?
reminded me of. This one almost reminds me of like a reheated up piece of pot roast.
Yes, exactly.
Right? It actually is not terrible, but you're right. You don't have that smokiness that you would expect to get out of a brisket, especially when they say it's like Texas brisket.
No. I don't taste any of that kind of nice barky smokiness that you get.
No.
So,
But we definitely have to try it with the sauce.
yeah, let's try that sauce.
Let's try it with the sauce. Now, this is the brisket sauce, you said?
It is, yeah. Supposed to have a little spice to it, so I'll definitely like the spiciness, I think. It's pretty sweet. Very sweet. And not very spicy. I don't taste a lot of spice at all.
But in all fairness, though, this is Disney.
Oh my goodness, yeah.
The fact that they opened up a American barbecue spot here is awesome.
I love it. High five. Yes.
Would we eat here again? Yes. I
Yeah.
definitely would. There's a lot of things on the menu that I certainly really enjoyed. And that's for each his own.
For us, I mean, like the pork butt was awesome, right? And the pork ribs were good too. Not bad.
Heck yeah. I am stuffed. Stuffed.
Me too. Absolutely.
I don't even know if I can have dessert, but there is something I'm going to try.
Oh, you're here out on the patio. There's some good drinks out there.
Exactly.
So we gotta try
Well,
some
first,
of
let me ask you. So what did you think?
that. What did you think?
Okay, so overall, I would definitely say I enjoyed it. It was definitely an experience coming here to this new establishment here, the Regal Eagle Smokehouse.
Oh, I thought it was great. Being here at Epcot, this is great. Having this, pure, really true smoking here.
Yeah.
Really cool.
Yeah, and we did speak to a couple of folks here that said that they really enjoy this place. It's kind of a all-American sort of barbecue place.
Yeah.
We love barbecue, so obviously it wasn't truly a fair, assessment to put up Franklin's against.
Oh, sure.
Regal
Brisket's
Eagle.
a brisket. I mean, that's not a fair comparison.
Exactly.
But I gotta say, those pork ribs I thought were pretty darn good.
Yes. Yes,
Yeah.
those were probably my favorite. That and the pork butt.
Oh, the pork butt was great,
That
or
was
pulled
really
pork,
good.
aka pork butt.
AKA pulled
Pork
butt. If
Yeah.
you're interested in knowing what our least favorite to our most favorite was, we're going to put those in the description below, including some of the sides. And if you made it this far, thank you so much. We really appreciate that. And as always, if you haven't already, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you get every time we post something new and exciting. Thanks for joining us, world travelers, and we look forward to seeing you
On the road.
So really quick, before we let this outro finish, we got high recommendations here. So this is our dessert. It's called the Moonshine Sour. Super delicious, super romantic.
Cheers, my
Cheers,
dear.
my dear.